Budgeting 101 Zero-Based Budgeting Explained. Let's talk about a super simple but powerful way to manage your money. Zero-based budgeting. If you've ever wondered where all your money goes each month, this method is going to be a game changer. The best part? It's easy to understand and even easier to start. So, what exactly is zero-based budgeting? In short, it means that you give every single dollar a job. When you plan your budget, your income minus your expenses should equal zero. That doesn't mean you spend every penny. It means you plan what to do with every penny. Saving is a job. Paying off debt is a job. Even treating yourself can be a job in your budget. Let's break it down. Step 1. Figure out your total monthly income. This includes your salary, freelance work, side hustles, or anything else that brings in money. Let's say you make $3,000 this month. That's your total to work with. Step 2. List all your expenses. Start with the must-haves: rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, gas, and minimum debt payments. Then move on to savings, investments, subscriptions, fun money, whatever applies to your life. Be realistic. Don't forget the small stuff like Netflix, takeout, or that daily coffee habit. These all count. Step 3. Do the math. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. Your goal is to get that number to zero. If you still have money left over, don't leave it unassigned. Put it towards something meaningful, like an emergency fund or paying off your credit card faster. If you're over budget, look at areas to cut back. Here's an example. You make $3,000 a month. Your rent is $1,200. Groceries are $400. Gas is $150, and so on. You keep going until all your categories add up to $3,000 exactly. You're not guessing. You're giving clear instructions to every dollar you earn. Why is this so effective? Because it forces you to be intentional. No more wondering why your bank account is empty. No more feeling guilty about spending money. When everything is planned ahead, you're free to spend, without the stress. Another bonus? Zero-based budgeting helps you stay on track with your goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or getting out of debt, this method keeps your priorities front and center every single month. It might feel like a lot of effort at first, especially if you're new to budgeting, but after a month or two it becomes second nature. You'll be more confident, more in control, and a lot less anxious about money. So give it a try. You can use a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or just a pen and paper. Start with what you have and build from there. Because when every dollar has a job, your money finally starts working for you, not the other way around.